Hi and welcome back. So today we're going to be working on our cheek area. So we're going to take our Gua Sha tool. Ideally you have a bit of face oil on your skin already. So you're going to place your tool here at a 15 to 45 degree angle right here by the nose, and we're going to move all the way out to the temples and our ears like this. So we're going to go 7 times. We're gonna go on the other side. I just like to place my finger here, and then we're gonna move it all the way out from the center of the face all the way out to the ear. Wonderful. So the next step is going to sculpt the cheek over here. So we're going to take the inside curve of the tool right now, place it here by the nose, and move it all the way up towards the ear like this. So we're going to go 7 times on each side here as well. Wonderful. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. So this is a great way to kind of warm up the cheek muscles a little bit here and kind of reduce those dull skin and kind of sagging cheeks to help lift our cheeks a little bit. So next we're going to be working on our forehead area. So I'll see you in the next one.